Alright guys, welcome to Greentgarden vlog. Early in the morning, maybe 6 something. We got Pepper and we're heading down straight to the garden. It's really windy. I don't know if you guys can see the trees blowing. Super windy guys. So what we like to do, my daughter Grace and I are walking here and we always take Pepper out. Come on Pep. So Pepper is a routine guy. He likes to get up early in the morning. He sleeps through the whole night. Come on, Grace. So my daughter will cut a piece of fresh veggies and just give him, kind of like bribe him to get in here. And we're going to show you guys the garden. We had a lot of wind last night. Another one right there. Oh man. All right, so we have a lot of rain coming down today in Long Island, New York, guys. Could go ahead. You open up. And basically I'm gonna see, I got new steak right there. I'm gonna be steaking and tying. It's hard. All right, so I like to come and open up the garden, the greenhouse I mean. So after I come and open up the greenhouse, you can see this guy's gonna be ready to harvest soon. Oh my god, no way. So guys, I'm telling you, I didn't come 2 days in the greenhouse, but oh my god. So this is the long green beans. Finally. Oh my god, this is so excited guys. Look, oh man, right there. These things grown like insane. I literally didn't see anything at all when I came in here the other day. I was wondering, I was gonna research to see what I'm doing wrong or why it's not producing, but man, I was wrong. So that's long string beans guys. These are delicious. Trust me, I had them before. They were yummy. Now look around in Greentgarden. Right now guys, in the greenhouse is 72 degrees. So I have a lot of pepper plants coming in. I do have to do pruning. I'm gonna make a video guys showing how I'm pruning my pepper plant, so you guys have some idea there. Sweet cucumbers coming in. I still seed now too because of the greenhouse. I have extra time. And right here, beautiful cayenne peppers coming in. One of my favorite peppers of all time is the cayenne pepper. And you guys can see I started pruning all the bottom over there. So, and right here is my eggplant. So basically in the morning time I'll bring out Pepper if my son Maddox didn't get up, and it's gonna rain today, so I brought him out real quick because I want him to enjoy. You know, he's complaining right now. Listen, so he's complaining right now. A little veggie snack was nothing for him. You want more? He is funny. So what, I gotta harvest that too. Is that what hey, wait. All right. We're gonna bring you breakfast. So basically he's like a crybaby. So basically I have a lot of crybaby in my house guys. I just want to let you know, from the kids, the Pepper, to my other dog. You're gonna meet him, Bandit. He's another crybaby too. So once, he's a routine guy. Like, he'll protest, complain, cry, whine. He loved his new pool, by the way. Oh, he loved this thing. So quick guys, I'm here. I've been slacking, falling off with my compost. We're gonna check the plus sign. So you guys could see they're breaking down. A little bit dry on the top. I'm gonna add some water later on. And watch again 1 second. Then we come here. Oh, those are looking good. So if you want to get it more loosed up, I have to add like old soil. Old soil will lose this up and make it more soil, but that's right there. It's all compost and coming up together like a ball. It's getting so close. But you see, like, I have some kind of sticks right there which didn't decompose. So I'm gonna get rid of the sticks. I'm gonna take them out and show you how I'm using them. So I'm gonna use those compost in 1 or 2 containers that I have left. And what is he doing? He's complaining over there still. So it looks like the wind definitely last night, harassed some of my plants. It's behind of the greenhouse coming up there. So I do have to, get in and prune here. But today, I don't know what, I gotta check what time this rain is coming. Guys, remember, morning time, if you have to hand pollinate, is the best time. You could see all the flowers. Oh man, I gotta harvest this one too. So I'm gonna have to harvest him. He's ready, and then get this plant going. Because, so guys, as you look right here, this fruit is good, but then you see the young ones are dying. So it could be either the plant is very stressed out, but looking at the leaves, looking at the flowers, and it looks healthy. So I don't think the plant is stressed out. I think basically we don't have enough nutrition there, especially calcium and stuff. So I'm gonna have to add. I did bought garden lime. So I'm going to show you guys in another video how I'm using that, which I'm going to be applying very soon, and pruning this plant to bring back this plant, because I'm not happy with that right now, man. And showing you guys a quick thing. So that's a patty pan squash, first time growing that. I'm going to harvest that. Excited. And I'm really excited about my cucumber coming up. We did harvest a couple, but you can see they're growing more. It's another one ready there. Look at it. So nice. Look, so beautiful and nice. My daughter, she'll come in here as soon as they're big and she's ready to eat. Oh look, there's another one coming up right there too. So we have a bunch of stuff coming up in Greentgarden. Just show you guys just wanted to show you guys my quick one. So if you guys look right here, I got the round one growing right now. So beautiful with the round one. The round ones are really, really delicious. My morning routine is very simple. In the morning time, I like to come in, check out the garden, bring Pepper out if my son doesn't bring him out. Rainy day, so I brought him out. And then I like to open up the greenhouse, see the progress. I walked around, I'm like a kid in a candy store. I'll walk around to see what's growing, what happened overnight. Oh, watch my step. And with the wind last night, I heard the wind really bad here, so that's why I came out to check. But the plants are not broken, they're like pushed back, which is fine. I'll put a stake and tie them up, they'll be all right. But I just wanted to make this video really short anyway. So all right guys, so thank you guys so much for watching Greentgarden. This is a mini Greentgarden vlog, my morning routine. Just wanted to show you. And guys, if you're new, don't forget, subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon. It's 100% free. Every time I upload a video, you guys will get it right away, and it's all about garden video. And I'm going to show you this troublemaker. I'm going to show you my troublemaker. This guy right here. Basically, I started this garden because of this guy. He's the main reason. So that's why he gets fresh veggies from Greentgarden.